What's up, everyone? Today I want to tell you about a platform called Mercor. This is an AI-powered platform that matches job seekers with top-tier, remote AI jobs based on their expertise. So I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this new platform so you can decide if it's worth it or a waste of time. So first, what is Mercor? This is an AI training and data labeling startup that works with large AI labs. They contract people around the world to do tasks like data annotation, reviewing AI outputs, labeling images/videos, or other jobs where human expertise helps improve AI systems. This is a new company that recently entered the AI data industry to meet the demand for human expertise to train AI systems. The platform has been growing dramatically in popularity, funding, and visibility in the AI data industry. Recently, the company received a valuation of $10 billion. The company positions itself as connecting experts with major AI clients, offering remote and flexible work to contributors from various backgrounds. So you might have heard the news about companies like Meta, Apple, and OpenAI paying insane salaries for AI talent, such as researchers and engineers. To be clear, this platform is not going to give you $1 million salary, but it is an opportunity to also benefit from these companies searching for people to train AI, even if you do not have direct experience as an AI researcher or engineer. Now, this company really emphasizes that they are seeking experts, but that does not always mean that you need an advanced degree like a master's degree or PhD to apply. Many of the positions do require that you have legit experience in a particular subject matter, so this is not something that you can apply for without a solid background and expertise. So how much does this platform claim people can make? First, to be clear, these are not full-time jobs, but instead you would be hired as an independent contractor. So depending on the project and your expertise, the pay rates can vary widely. Some contractors claim to earn as much as $50 an hour or more when reviewing or annotating high-level data sets. In rare cases, some say they received higher rates, but these may not be common. As you can see on their own website, they claim that some jobs can pay up to $150 to $200 an hour. Currently on their site, they say that the average pay is about $86 an hour. It's important to remember that for most people, the pay is not going to be that high, and most jobs will pay smaller amounts closer to $20 or $30 an hour. Also remember that this platform is contract and project based, so hours and pay may fluctuate.
Also, if you are simply looking for a remote job that you can do from anywhere in the world on your time, on your schedule, then I definitely recommend checking out FlexJobs. FlexJobs is the #1 site to find remote jobs. There's no ads, scams, or junk. They actually have a team of people that go through each job and make sure that they're not scammy or that they're actually legitimate. And from my experience so far, they really are one of the better websites to check out because they specifically are focusing on just remote jobs that you could do at home. So I've recommended them before. If you haven't checked it out yet, definitely do. I have a link in the description to do that.
So is Mercor legit or a scam? Ultimately, this is a legit platform, and there are several articles and videos that you can check out to learn more about this company. Many people say they have been paid for real tasks, received payments, and felt the remote work structure was flexible and honest. Some workers say tasks were clear, the company was responsive, and they got paid for their effort when projects were active. Now, even though the company is legit, there are common issues that occur with these types of platforms that has led to people leaving negative reviews. Complaints include people who mention completing the AI interview and never hearing back about their application. Also, sometimes projects are canceled without notice, there can be long delays, or poor communication from support. From my own experience with working on AI training platforms, these issues are actually very common, and that is why I always suggest that these platforms are not your only source of income. Now, what is the process to sign up and get started? First, you can actually go to their website, explore and view current opportunities, and then fill out an application. They then have you complete an AI interview, which is typically a video interview or an assessment. If you pass that, then they may assign you to a project, and once your work from the project is approved, you get paid. However, many report that you may go through the application process and never get assigned tasks. In other cases, tasks may start but disappear after a few days, or contract terms might be abruptly changed or canceled. Now let's talk about pros and cons based on what actual users are saying. On the positive side, some users say the work is flexible, which means that you can choose your schedule and work remotely. Others say the task can be interesting and meaningful, and contributing to real AI training can feel rewarding. The best part for most users is getting paid, of course, but there are some cons. You might invest time filling out applications, completing interviews and assessments, but never actually get a job. But then again, this is the same issue with every job that you apply for. Another big downside is unpredictability, and project availability can be very volatile, and what may start as a promising contract can be canceled with little notice. If you want more honest content like this, then please like and subscribe to support the channel. Now, I have worked on several platforms like this myself, and what I can tell you is that each person's experience can be very different. So some people might make little to no money, and others could have a great experience and make a decent side income. So is this platform worth checking out? I think that this is definitely worth it to explore. You should go in with realistic expectations and treat this platform as a potentially high reward side gig, but not a guaranteed income source. Expect that you may spend time on the application or interview and get nothing back. Keep in mind that contract terms can change and projects can vanish. Also, don't rely on this platform as your main income, but instead use it as a separate income stream.
If you find value in honesty and transparency, then make sure to support the channel using the links in the description. And if you can't support, all you got to do is hit that like button. It really goes a long way. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.